Hey, what's up everybody? It's Randy with OnePlus Fans, and today we're going to take a look at the OnePlus 6T launch event welcome box. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'm not exactly sure what to call this thing. I signed up for the OnePlus 6T launch event. The event is coming up October 30th. And I was surprised when they asked for shipping information and all that. And they pretty much, I think it was second day air, shipped to me via FedEx. And they shipped me this amazing looking box, which is quite a bit. I was expecting a couple of tickets and I was wondering, well, why in the heck can't they just do that, electronically? But they didn't. So anyway, we're going to open up this box and we're going to take a look at what is inside. I'm pretty excited about it. Hopefully it's a phone. No, I doubt it's a phone. And of course, there we go. I was going to say, yikes. I did not bring my unboxing knife. So anyway, very nice presentation here. Nice little typical red and white, which is very common, very popular with OnePlus. All right, so here we go. All right, so looks like, okay, here we go. Magnetic. All right. So we have inside, it looks like there is a card. I'll read that just a second. And it looks like, whoa, some fancy, this is plastic. What is this? Yikes. Okay, so there's some glass things. Okay, let's read what it says first. Maybe there's a little trick to it. Woo, they fly on their own. Okay, you stay over there for a second. All right, so this says, it starts with you. Every device we build and every decision we make is inspired by you. We want to launch the next OnePlus the same way it was built with you. Okay, if you guys have not or are not using a OnePlus, this really... OnePlus is just great about the way that they deal with their fans. They appreciate their fans. And this invitation here, I'm sure it's going to look pretty cool once I set it up because that's the whole deal. It's pretty awesome. So this invitation hides a glimpse of the future. Designed to combine speed and convenience, we have developed a feature that we believe will change the way you interact with your phone. At first glance, the glass cards seem unconnected, but there's more to these cards than meets the eye. Arrange them in the right order to unlock a hidden message. We invite you to experience a different kind of speed, the kind of speed that makes every experience more enjoyable, immersive, and fluid. Speed and smoothness work hand in hand to deliver a truly effortless flagship experience, giving you the power to do more, faster. It's time to unlock the speed. And a little disclaimer down at the bottom that it's glass, don't hurt yourself, and it's not their fault. So, what's the message? Okay, so this is the way they came stacked. I don't know, y'all. It looks like to me the message is unlock the speed, but let's go ahead and put them in here. This has got to be the fanciest invitation that I've ever received. A magnetic sealed box with all the glass. They do kind of stick together. Maybe you can use these as replacement backs on your new OnePlus 6T. And I'm sure you guys have heard the launch events on the 30th, and they will be shipping, or I guess arriving, on November 6th. I'll have more on my channel about that later. Okay, so we do have a little problem here. Sticking together. All right, so what do we got here? Okay, I'm going to move this out of the way. And it looks to me, you can see that, it says unlock the speed. And it's kind of a little, it seems like, no, they're all in there. All the slots are filled. Okay, so anyway, it's a pretty cool, like, three-dimensional unlock. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I already know what the message is. I saw that when I opened it, but this is pretty cool, and I can't wait to have this up at my office and troll people with it. Because this is great to troll. They're gonna be like, "What's a OnePlus? what does unlock the speed mean? Well, it means that you get a really, really, really fast phone that never, ever lags. All right, well, there we go, guys. That's the OnePlus 6T launch event invitation, or box of invitation. I'm not sure exactly what they are calling it. So anyway, that's pretty cool. And like I said a little bit at the beginning, it just really goes to show just what a big deal it is for OnePlus to interact with their fans. The company will actually be 5 years old in the next month, I believe. They launched almost 5 years ago with the OnePlus One, and now on this launch, they're going to be launching with T-Mobile, and guys, they've become like 0.5% of all phones in North America, and I read they're up into, I want to say it was like 9% in EU. I'll have to verify that later. But anyway, here we go. Unlock the speed. Y'all, appreciate y'all. Okay, do not touch it or it'll fall over. Appreciate y'all watching my videos and interacting. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to put those down at the bottom. Also, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified when new videos take place. Also, let me know in the comments if you're going to be attending the OnePlus launch event. I'd love to meet you guys there. All right, thanks for tuning in. Y'all have a good rest of your day.